Next in line is the Senate President, Senator Soto.
Mr. President, well, as usual, the Senate President is allowed, but I always make it a point to fall in line. But I will give my 3 minutes to Senator Risa Ontiveros instead of my 5 minutes, and then I will just have one question, a follow-up from one of our colleagues, why Secretary Cabral, Undersecretary Cabral is not here, and also why Mrs. Diskaya is not here.
Who will answer?
Mr. Diskaya, I suppose.
Your Honor, yung misis ko po ay nagpadala po dito ng ng excuse letter po. Na hindi po siya makakarating dahil po sa mga valid reason po.
Mr. Chair, if I may, what is the valid reason?
Bali may po siya, yung may heart condition din po siya, at saka po bali nagpadala po siya ng letter po dito. Hindi ko lang po nabasa kung ano yung iba pang content.